Right, so today we'll be looking at subtraction. Our learning objective is to use written methods of subtraction mainly for worded problems. So we've looked at previously single digit, double digit and triple digit numbers. Today we're going to be looking at them being incorporated into worded issues or problems. Real life scenarios and keywords are going to be the same. Likewise, as before, you'll need a pen or a pencil and some paper. So the first question we'll be looking at is this one over here. We've got Jack. He had 87 sweets and he ate 36. How many sweets does Jack have left? So we know he originally had 87 and he ate 36, so we take away 36. 7 minus 6 is going to be 1. 8 minus 3 is going to be 5. So the answer is going to be 51. So it's important to recognize when it's addition or subtraction. So because we know Jack ate the sweets, we know that the number has gone down. So we know this question is going to be subtraction. Moving on to the next example. If Ahmed gets 31 kills on Fortnite and Abdul gets 20, how many more kills does Ahmed have? So this question is asking us to compare the kills, so we know that it's going to be subtraction. So Ahmed has 31, the bigger value. Abdul has 20, so we do 31, take away 20. 1 take away 0 remains 1. 3 take away 2 equals 1. So the answer to the question is going to be 11. Ahmed has 11 more kills than Abdul. Now, if I can get you to pause the video and just have a go at the two questions on the right hand side for about half a minute to a minute, and then we'll go through the answers. Right, so Gavin has 20 packs of Haribos. He gave his sister 12. So you do 20 minus 12, we're going to be left with 8. Ibrahim had 75 friends and Maida had 24. How many more friends does Ibrahim have? The answer you should have got for this question is going to be 51. The next example is going to be if Scott has 440 friends on Snapchat and Lila has 139, how many more friends does Scott have? So like before, we're comparing the number of friends. We're not adding, we're subtracting. So we're going to do 440 minus 139. So we're going to have to borrow from the tens column. 10 minus 9 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 1 is going to be 3. So the answer should be 301. Looking at the next question. A man bought a pack of 453 balloons. He used 369. The next day, how many balloons does he have left? So the original number was 453. We're taking away 369 that he used. The answer, so 3 take away 9 we can't do. Borrow 1 from the tens column, so that becomes a 4. Carry the 1 across. 13 take away 9 equals 4. 4 take away 6 we can't do, so we need to borrow 1 from the hundredth column. That becomes a 3. That becomes 14. 14 take away 6 is going to be 8. 3 take away 3 is going to be 0, so the answer should be 84. So if I just get you to pause the video, have a go at the two questions on the right hand side, and then we'll go through the answers shortly. So the answers you should have got are 175 and £100. Right, so what I need you to do for your independent task is do two questions from this box over here. If you can label it as red, so when you're doing your independent task, do red and then question 1, 2, or 3 and 4, or 1 and 3. And then do two questions from this green section here. Well, there's only two questions, so just attempt both questions. And then can you take a picture of your answers and then basically upload that onto class charts.